I won.
Now you too can win the meth game from the comfort of your very own home with the new Methopoly board game. Man, I sound like Saul.
So if you want to make more money and keep the money that you make, better call Saul.
Hey, I'm Jillian on Buzz60. Check out this free, printable, labor of love Breaking Bad Monopoly. Methopoly creator Joanne Silverman knocked this one out of the park. The Heisenberg and Hector Salamanca Bell cards have references like calling Saul to get out of jail free and getting $50 for Hank's minerals. The properties range from Tuco's shack to Los Pollos Hermanos and everywhere in between. Transportation cards include the RV, and the utilities are now precursors, because you can't run a meth lab without these. The tokens are up to you to make, but Joanne suggests mini fake meth and a tiny Heisenberg hat. I bet you can't wait to spend a whole game night saying this.
Stay out of my territory.
Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.